What's the meaning of cattle guard? Cattle guard. Cattle guard.
Cattle guard. Cattle guard. A cattle guard is a device on roads and railways that is used to prevent livestock, particularly cattle, from straying onto the tracks or roads. It consists of a long pit or trench in the ground, lined with rails or bars. These bars are spaced close enough together to support the weight of vehicles but wide enough apart to allow the hooves of cattle to fall through. This prevents the animals from crossing the barrier and potentially causing accidents. Cattle guards are a useful and practical solution for maintaining roadway safety in rural areas.